Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt. Today we're doing a little bit of dispersed camping. We're in Itasca County. We're on a little site on Little Whitefish Lake, a little dispersed site tucked away into the woods here. Pretty nice day. It's a classic northern Minnesota afternoon. 100% overcast, gray skies, just a little light, like a 5-mile-an-hour breeze coming off the water. The woods are pretty active today. If you listen closely, we can probably hear the woodpeckers working the trees and the birds calling out from across the lake. It's the kind of day that just forces you to slow down. The plan tonight, simple. One night in the tent, good fire, some much needed relaxation. I've got the site staked out, the gear's ready to go, and even without the sun, there's nowhere else I'd rather be. This site's got plenty of room for a tent, maybe even a small camper. Fire pit here. We'll clean that out a little bit. That should work nice. Brought along a shovel. I can shovel this thing out. A little bit of trash, we'll take that home with us. Looks quite a bit better. Yeah, unfortunately, I think that thing is permanently wrecked, but it's okay, we'll make do. Should work perfect. I think I'm just going to sit here, watch the fire for a little while, maybe do a little staring at the lake, and maybe we'll put the tent up in a little bit, and gotta make some lunch here too. I'll catch back up with you in a little while. I did bring the chainsaw with. I think I'm going to dice up some of the smaller stuff here. Good campfire wood. Then we'll be set for the night and set for the next person too. Well, I thought I came here to rest, but I'll take a break here for a little bit and we'll pile up some of these logs and get to splitting them. The resting is still coming. I don't have a table for the Blackstone, so just put it up on top of a couple logs here. Lunch is going to be pretty simple. Just going to throw together a couple of grilled cheese and throw them on the Blackstone here. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Let's see what this one's doing. Oh yeah. A couple of nice simple grilled cheese sandwiches for lunch. And then I suppose we got to work at getting this wood cleaned up and getting the tent set up. At some point you got to quit relaxing and do a little bit of work. Some of this is a little punky, but it'll still burn. Ice is all off the lake now. Probably happened in the last few days. It's been pretty warm. Fishing opener is not very far away. Just a couple weeks. Tent's all set up. I think I'm gonna crank up the fire. Tonight for dinner, I pulled out some fish out of the freezer. Some fish I caught on Red Lake, one of my previous episodes. It's the last of the fish in the freezer, but that's okay because the walleye opener is coming up here in just a couple weeks, so we can start putting some more fish in the freezer. So we're gonna put some breading on those and fry them up on the Blackstone. I don't have a table, but that's okay, this will work. Got some of this Louisiana seasoned fish fry stuff, and this is kind of nice because it doesn't need an egg or anything like that. You can just pretty much dip the fish in there and run it around in there and then fry it up in the oil. So probably should have cut a bigger hole in the bag, but that's okay. We'll get a bigger hole in there. There we go. Put down a little squirt of oil. Yeah, it's running towards the front left there a little bit. That's actually not too bad. It's easier to have it run towards the front. If it runs towards the back, then it just goes out the hole in the back into the grease cup. So having it run towards the front's a little bit easier. But we can work with this. I think we're ready. We're just getting some smoke off the grill now. So load it up with some oil here. The oil is definitely going to run to the front. It's a little more out of level than I thought, but that's okay. I'm looking forward to this fish. A couple of grilled cheese sandwiches earlier was good, but not like this. Fish will be good. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Nice and flaky. Oh, this is perfect. I got the grill all cleaned up here. Normally I would just leave it out. I'm going to use it tomorrow morning for breakfast, but this is bear country, and bears are starting to come out of hibernation, so I think I'm just going to tuck it into the car. No need to invite a wild animal, that's for sure. I just heard a couple of loons down on the lake. Go see if we can see them from the shore or not. They're close, but I don't see them. It's just a beautiful evening though down by the water here. A little bit of breeze, but it's nice just to hear the water lapping up against the shore, hear the loons. Just a perfect evening. Campsite's pretty close to a county road, gravel road. It's been pretty quiet. I've been here since about 11 o'clock today, and I don't know, maybe a half dozen cars total driven by, but I just wanted to walk out to the road here and give you a quick view of the sunset. It's a pretty nice sunset tonight. It was overcast all day, but the sky cleared up, and now it looks pretty nice out. So I'll show you the sunset. Just an absolutely beautiful evening. Yeah, beaver out here on the water. Oh, I can hear the owl hooting away off in the distance too. Should be a pretty nice evening. I think I'm headed into bed. I'll see you in the morning. Hey, good morning. Pretty awesome night of sleep last night in the tent. Just slept like a rock. Woke up this morning, a little bit of light out, listening to the loons, and I've got a grouse somewhere pretty close by that's been doing some thumping in the woods here. So beautiful morning so far. The sun's out. We're gonna fire up some water for some tea, make a little breakfast, probably start a little fire too, and hang out here a little bit this morning before we head home. I can hear the loons down here in the water. They don't sound too far away. We'll see if we can spot them. I've been hearing them all morning. They must have a nest down there somewhere. Perfect. Perfect. I think the tea water is ready as well. I don't know if the microphone picks it up, but you can hear the grouse over there somewhere thumping. Staking out his territory and calling for a mate. Here's a question for you. Why do they always make the tent bag so small? I understand it came in this bag from the factory, but once you roll it out and use it, they're almost always a pain to get back into the bag. They're just too tight. We really couldn't afford just a little bit more fabric to make this tent fit in the bag better. Why do they do that? You got the fire out cold. We should be set to go. And one last look at the lake before we take off, I think. Be a beautiful day. I want to thank you for coming along with me the last couple days here, spending the night here. I know for me it's just really relaxing, just nice to sit back, enjoy the fire, take in the lake, some of the sounds of nature, the loons. I had some squirrels running through the campsite at one point, grouse making noise, some Canadian geese flying over. Just a beautiful, relaxing evening. Nice way to spend the weekend. If you've enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and hopefully I'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks.